There's the set piece. Header! Goal! It looks like it's claimed by Zuma, and he's not celebrating because it's against his old club. But simply done at the set piece, and AmaZulu have the lead.
Brilliant delivery there from George Maluleka. You can see the four defenders that was marking zonal, not attacking the ball.
Little point being proved by a number of players. Here's Dupree now. Pulled back. Penalty. Oh, those players are going to be careful. They are jumping right in front of the referee. And have a look here. Dupree with Mabhida. Oh, the hand is around the neck. You can't do that against AmaZulu. Looking for his 8th goal of the season. This will take him to the top of the goal-scoring charts. If he scores, no! Motwa saves! And then it's kicked out of his hands. That was a poor spot kick, it must be said.
As they get their 4th corner this evening.
George Maluleka had to take it one more time. And again, lots of men in green in that penalty area. Kunez under pressure, that's number 2. Easily done, and AmaZulu double the lead from a set piece again. Pakele this time. He's not celebrating either as an ex-Chiefs player. Gets the vital touch. Right. Veteran goalkeeper with a reputation of being amongst the best all time. Kunez in trouble! 3-0. They are falling apart, Kaizer Chiefs. And Dion gets the goal. Adding insult to injury.
He never stopped fighting, never stopped chasing. Got the foot in and got the goal. Possibly the winner. Possibly representing the misses.
Yes, Bimenyamana with Inglobo, chance on the left, wide. That was a good build-up. Excellent opportunity. Still Inglobo to Sekota, and Sekota get a second batter. That's a good save from Motwa. Mistake from AmaZulu. Chance again in front of goal, and another opportunity spurned, and again Edmilson who's Motwa up, Motwa gets a touch, Hanamubu clear. And Globo looking to find Boyer again. Can they get a 4th? Into the path of Bongi and Chule! That's going to be number 4! AmaZulu are going into 7th heaven here.
Goal, but some brilliant build-up play. Great touch here in Globo. Very instrumental here. Slipping in through for Boalia. Brilliant work, brilliant patience there. Spotted the run. Missed clearance from Quinica. Bongi Ntuli showed composure. Seen the oncoming. Itumeleng Kune decided to go around him and slot the 4th home.